Hi, welcome to Twitch Land channel. Best daily Twitch part 6.
Ready, set,
Game baseball at home.
I didn't kind of.
Be careful, bro.
And they want you back. They want you back. That's it.
What a provocative sound.
Your titties are perfect. I want to come all over them.
Oh my god! I did not expect that. Who the fuck is Teddy? Okay. Anyways, okay, let's bring in our next person, Mateo. Hello, Mateo. Mateo, hello.
fire!
Attack on Alinity.
Afternoon for her anyway.
Holy fuck!
There you go.
What the fuck, dude?
Hey, good job, me.
Okay, stand there.
She gets a taste of her own medicine.
I thought it was the other way around. I thought I was gonna do it to you. Oh damn. I thought I was gonna do it to you. How did you do it to me?
Now, as we're having to sit here and do this, he is absolutely.
Be careful of your ears.
Fucking hell! Come here. Get the fucking thing. He's literally running at it. This is for you, Esmond, you fucking prick.
Bennett's lyrical lemonade, though. Shout out to
Nice shake.
Alright, hold on a second. Turn a fucking fan on, bro, on this bitch. Yo, chat, how the fuck you?
He is pregnant.
I lost her! Don't you get that? I lost her!
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. No. Oh.
Come on.
Control your nerves.
Not after 1994.
He goes next to Santa.
Are you sure about this? I'm so pleased, son. Let's just get it over with. Come on! Come on! Yeah! Oh, yes. So, little boy, tell me, what is it that you want for Christmas? Oh, I have a ruptured quadricep. What did you get? What should I get you?
No, are you about to kiss my cheek?
Romantic kiss.
Does that count?
I guess so.
He gets knocked unconscious.
I don't know.
What a beautiful song.
It took me weeks to find that.
He goes to the Cloud District.
You have to stop spawning Nazeems. You're gonna actually break my game.
Do you get to the Cloud District very often? Oh, what am I saying? Of course you don't.
Excuse me.
Oh, it took years.
Excuse me.
But I earned my way to the top.
Excuse me.
I own Chill for a...
Is this the theme song that they added in?
My name is...
He reacts to this video.
I can't.
Run it back now. Run it back.
He loses that girl.
Hey, look, another box. Okay, now I can stall for another 20 minutes. What down? I need to find another girl fast. Alinity, where are you?
What is the sound?
Yes, Daddy.
Wait, I have an idea. Put it in this.
What happened at this party?
Oh my God, that's genius! Like an experiment.
Ready?
That's dangerous.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, gross.
What did you say, bitch? I caught it. Watch, ready? Go up to my stomach. I guarantee I catch it.
How do you do that?
He is very hardworking.
The Sultan that I saw him drive up in, it's abandoned here. Harmony does not come back to
here
it, so it's
last
probably
time. Don't
stolen
ask
a
me
swiped
why.
car.
We got a
think you're getting it.
minigun in the courthouse.
Ow.
Yeah, that's Kevin.
Okay, one more try.
You have a license to carry that thing?
Okay. Oh. Okay.
All right.
Okay. I think it's broken.
Hell yeah. Okay. This way they won't find out that Cleopatra. Yeah, they won't find out about